Hello everyone, I'm here to share some springtime cards, really Easter cards that I made using this Anna Griffin springtime shaker card making kit. I'm going to show you real quick the instruction sheet that came with it. You can either make the butterfly, the bunny, or the clover. What I did is I made all the ones with the bunny, being that it's close to Easter. And the kit comes in a box like this. I've had it for a few years, and I just decided to bust it out. And inside the kit, it has everything you need to make, I think, 40 cards, 30 cards, 30 beautiful cards. So I'm going to show you the ones I created using the bunny. And these cards came together so fast, and the inside is already done for you, wishing you a joyous Easter and a delightful spring. And on the back, you can handmade by and sign your name. So I made that one, and I thought these turned out so cute. I'm going to send these to family and friends, and maybe in some swaps that I'm entering in. And they were so fast and so easy. Such a cute kit. And I just love the little bunny image. And the flowers and the butterflies, of course. And I thought they turned out so cute. And the colors are so beautiful for spring. Anyway, I really love this kit. And I have a few of her shaker card kits I need to bust out and start making. So that is the card share for Easter. I hope you like. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.